everybody, 5-4 Weekend Adventures. And for everybody asking, yes, the TJ is still here. I haven't done anything to it. Haven't used it in a while. That's why there's no videos. And today, we are going to be installing on the JL 4-door the 1000 airlift adjustable air springs. Town hall safety and comfort. And why are we doing this? Because some of you may have seen in my videos or my posts that the Jeep sags a little bit from the back. So I'm going to go ahead and install this so the sagging will stop. And what's in the box? Let's take it out and see. These are the air hoses. These are zip ties. These are plates and clamps. I don't know for what. These are plates that go on the bottom of the springs. The black goes on the bottom. Red goes on top. And the cuff stands, the washers, nuts. And here are the airbags. And ta-da! A sticker. Here you go. And let's continue reading the instructions. Alright, I had to jack up the Jeep a little bit just so the spring can open up some. What I'm going to do now, according to the instructions, now I am going to take one of these airbags, take off the little black tab up top, and it's just to squeeze all the air out of it. This is supposed to be the fun part, and then it's supposed to roll it up like a pancake of sort. Put this on so the air does not go back in, supposedly. Then it says take it and make it into a hot dog bun, but it's the other way. So I'm gonna have to do it this way, but it's gonna go in the spring this way, and it can't. It's gotta open up this way. So squeeze it down. See if I can get it to. Let's just roll over. Roll over, roll over. It's not as easy as it looks. See if I can figure this out in a different way. Alright, trying to show you guys, but placement of the camera, it's a little hard. Okay, so I had to put my knee to it in order to get it right in there, and squeeze it into one of the springs. Be careful you don't break the barb, and try to work. Whoops. No, don't come out. Don't come out, because then the air will come out. Shit. You want the, like a little tail coming off the top, because it'll get you all screwed up. Air go back in. You have to try this shit all over again. Sorry, I gotta keep moving the camera, but the camera's in the way. Let's see if I can get a good angle so I can record this for you guys. I guess the best angle's gonna be over here. I hope so. Alright, get back in here. See if I can do this. Alright, gotta keep pushing it in. sure there's a hole up there. Make sure the stem actually goes up there. Alright. There's the bag. Now I gotta take the stem out. Put the bag in plate. Gotta put the plate up top. Go ahead and get the rest of the parts and show you guys. So you can see it's kind of in there. Just gotta play with it on the bottom. Make sure the stem goes up top, and then you get the holes out to the top piece. I don't know if I showed you this earlier, but you have one of these little clamps, the barb they call it. Make sure you put it on here. You want to look because there's one side has a sharp end. Well, not sharp, but an end there that I don't like. Put it over the hose. Make sure it's cut straight. Let it go straight in, no angle, no leaks. And the other thing I wanted to show you, I've searched and I searched and I can't find anything. This is a spacer for the Sahara. I was thinking it goes this way with the I don't know why the hell they call this balls, but the two bumps top, but it doesn't. It goes like this. Two bumps go on top of the airbags. I'm gonna go ahead and run the wire through the hole. So as you can see here, let me see if I can. I'm gonna try to show you, even though it's kind of a little pain in the ass. I'm gonna stick it in through the hole here. The spring will come out through the top end. As you can see, I ran it through there. I pulled it out here. I don't know if you can see it. Right behind the wire. I'm just gonna keep pulling until I get the end with the wire clamp on it. Here. Now what I'm gonna do is I gotta put the spacer, like I said, fit it in here, run the wires through the hole, fit it in there, clamp it, and then we should be good to go for this part. Here's the airbags installed. All I do is drill the hole right over here and install the line. I'm going to put some air in the airlift and see if it actually rises. .7 psi. Hopefully it don't come back down.